In the heart of the Texas Hill Country is the town of Fredericksburg, the site of our RV community's fall rally. We stayed at the Oakwood RV Resort. We spent a week touring the area, hanging out with folks who came from all over the country.
Downtown Fredericksburg, especially on weekends, is a busy place, with festivals and trendy shops drawing a steady crowd of out-of-town visitors.
Any place that says free beer inside. Oh my gosh, how can you go wrong with Lone Star beer? So this free beer is like an every weekend thing here in Fredericksburg, and you can walk up and down Main Street with it, just don't jaywalk.
Well, this is certainly appropriate. I like this. It's fun. These are really pretty. Yep, pretty. That's a pretty turquoise. Now you gotta say Mike.
Okay, does this look like me? Does this look like me?
You look good on YouTube video.
Huh? Does that look like me, you think?
It does.
Yeah, absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yeah?
Yeah, very nice.
It's a suggestion.
Also, on the weekends, they have some kind of a festival, and this weekend, it's an art show in the park.
So someone needs medical help or the magnolia's blown. It's cold in this house, but I ain't going out. Chop wood.
Meanwhile, back at the campground, RV community members were getting acquainted and settling in.
Hello, hello.
Dan was tuning up his Martin guitar.
Home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day.
As the sun began to set, we had a potluck dinner to get acquainted. Heard from a historian about the founding of Fredericksburg, and then did a rig tour. Every night we had big campfires, and Dan had us all singing around the s'mores.
Good night, Buttermilk.
The hill country around Fredericksburg is the site of over 75 different wineries. We visited and sampled the wine from several of these beautiful spots.
It's very good.
This is the William Chris Winery. It is award-winning Texas grapes made into some of the most award-winning Texas wines. I don't know how to describe how beautiful this place is, or how good the wine is.
As we've said, there are over 70 vineyards in this area. Right now, we're at Becker's Vineyard, and it is a huge, huge vineyard. Has that real Texas feel with the Texas brick, and a whole bunch of us are going to meet here and enjoy and look around and sample some of their wine. This is attractive. Do I look comfortable? Do I look at home?
No, you need
I need my hat.
you need some wine
And I need my hat.
or a bottle of whiskey.
Does this hat work?
And it's, oh yeah,
That works.
that hat works great.
Okay, sounds great.
The next morning, Jen and friends prepared a pancake and sausage breakfast for everybody. On another day, Jerry and Susie of our group did a hands-on demonstration on how to make quiche Lorraine, according to a family recipe handed down by Jerry's French relatives.
Most afternoons we went our separate ways exploring. A big group visited the National Museum of the Pacific War in downtown Fredericksburg. Others visited a huge wildflower farm. And others went hiking to the nearby Enchanted Rocks natural area.
This is absolutely fantastic. Just outside of town. Not all of our people are here, but a bunch of them are, including Wendy. What do you think?
This is gorgeous. I love this. This is so beautiful. Look at the rocks, the mountains, the looks. The only thing, it's a little hot.
There's a lot of reasons they call this place Enchanted Rocks. The Native American folks who were here had a rumor that this was haunted and that the ghosts of their ancestors had done something wrong in life and were condemned to walk aimlessly around these rocks. The legend remains.
Probably the hands-down favorite activity was our big night out here in Lukenbach, Texas, at the historic dance hall. We did the Texas two-step until closing time, which in Lukenbach isn't really that late. It's 9 p.m.
There was so much else that we all did that it just won't fit into this video without making it movie length.
But we leave you with a final look at photos snapped by our attendees. It was a great rally, and we can't wait for next year and the 3 rallies we'll be holding in 2026. Till then, happy trails.